Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to go offline on TradingView mobile app, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off active status or to go offline on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see your username at the top of the screen. Tap on the username on the top of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings or the pen icon at the top right corner again. Over here, guys, you can see the show my online status button available for us over here. If you want to go offline on your TradingView app or your TradingView account, tap on it, and then your active status or your online status will be hidden, or you will go to the offline mode of your TradingView account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off active status or go offline on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.